I'm going to show you how to make this paprika oil for cosmetic formulations. So to start with, I'm going to wash and clean up my paprika pepper. And if you want to make this oil with the powdered one, I'll drop the link below on how I made the oil using powdered, dried powdered paprika. And if not, then this is for the fresh one. Just have to use the fresh one to make this oil. When you watch that video, then you compare the both and choose what works best for you. If it's to use the powdered one, the dry powder, or to use the fresh one. But in all, both works the same way, just that the color differs, but they do the same thing on the skin because they help brighten the skin and improve the skin color. After washing and cleaning, I'm going to cut this, but I noticed at some point that the knife wasn't giving me what I wanted, so I had to switch to a grater. And here as well, this part of the grater was bigger for what I wanted, so I had to switch it again to a smaller one. Here we go. So this oil is very beneficial on the skin. After making this tutorial, just watch out for the areas I'm going to make with this oil. I'm going to use it to be making body butters, soaps, body cream, moisturizers, and so on and so forth. So I'm just watch out on my channel and see when I post those videos. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so and press the notification bell, the button, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So after grating it, I'm going to measure out 37 grams of fresh paprika pepper. And as I'm doing here, I'm using my scale to do that to get the measurement accurately. So at this point, I'm adding grapeseed oil, 30 grams. Make sure the oil covers the pepper very well. And for the carrier oil, please make sure that your carrier oil has a long shelf life, because the shelf life of this paprika oil depends on the carrier oil. And also I choose grapeseed oil because it's a lighter oil and it doesn't clog pores, and that's why I choose it. And remember, because I'll be making body butters and face creams with this oil, so I had to choose wisely. And please do same if you decide to make this oil at any point. Try to choose your carrier oil wisely so that you don't choose oils that will clog pores. Try to choose lightweight oils. So after putting it on, I left the oil for 3 days. And after 3 days, this is what it looks like. So at this point, I'm straining with cheesecloth to make sure there's no particles in the oil. So one thing you notice is that as I'm straining it, I'm pressing it as well. So the oil is mixed with the pepper water, the paprika water at this point. So here's what it looks like. This is a closer view of what the oil and water looks like at this point. So the next thing I'm doing, I'm separately.